So now, let's proceed to scalar and vector quantity. So ano nga bang pinagkaiba ni scalar at ni vector? So in scalar quantity, we only have magnitude. Wala po tayong direction. So an example of a scalar quantity is the volume. So for example, 1 cubic meter. That is only a magnitude and we don't have a direction. Same for the time. For example, 3 seconds. That is only a magnitude. So, on the other hand, we have the vector quantity. So, vectors both have magnitude and direction. So, for example, since the direction is an important characteristic of vectors, so we use arrows to represent them. So, for example, this red arrow here is a vector. So, the direction of the arrow represents the direction of the vector. So, the direction of this vector here, we can say that this is 30 degrees north of east. And the length of the vector represents the magnitude. So, the magnitude of this vector is 2 kilometers. So, also do note that the length of the vector arrow is proportional to its magnitude. So, if the magnitude of this vector is 4 kilometers, so the vector arrow should be twice as long as this one. We have a conceptual problem here. So there are places where the temperature is positive 20 degrees Celsius at one time of the year and negative 20 degrees Celsius at another time. So do the plus and minus signs that signify positive and negative temperatures imply that temperature is vector quantity. Yes or no? And explain your answer. So, if you have answered yes, you are incorrect. So, the correct answer is no. Temperature is a scalar quantity. So, these signs here, the positive and the negative sign, does not signify a physical direction. Otherwise, it only denotes that the temperature is less than or greater than 0 degrees Celsius. So, again, temperature is a scalar quantity.